The wildlife of Alaska. Here is a shot of sleeping lady. This is downtown Anchorage. And this is the shot of all of Anchorage down here. So my wife's a little upset today, especially something like this. Stepped on dog poop. One of the lucky one.
There we go.
Hopefully that energy is gonna give her a lot of energy to climb this hike. Hey, welcome back to Hmong Alaska Adventures. So tonight is Friday, August, what's the date today? 18th? This is approximately about almost 6 o'clock, about 5:50. We are here at Artic Valley. Shot of the parking lot. So this right here is a place, it's right in town. It takes about, if you get on the Muldoon exit to come down to heading out to Eagle River, this is the next exit out, called Artic Valley. In the wintertime, these are just all slopes. This place here has snow tubing. The last time I snow tubed was in Minnesota. I love snow tubing down there. And down there you pay and you could tube all you want. Up here, you have to reserve time slots. I forget how long, but I think it's like 4 hours, I think. This is a place that a lot of people, especially this time of the year, love to pick berries. Like this family here, they're heading out there, maybe to do some blueberry picking. You can see up there, they're picking berries. But my wife and I, we're gonna be hiking. So come along with us. I'll give you guys a view. See how beautiful this place is on a sunny day.
Oh, I just want to rest.
All right. We are about half a mile from the car. So many times we have taken this route over here, but this time we're gonna start climbing this up here. When we get to the top, we'll ridge over and we'll meet down there again. And then we'll come back the other way for a round trip. Come along with us. Let's have some fun. This is a shot back to the parking lot. So instead of taking that trail, we're gonna try to head up this trail. So we're gonna stop for a little treat. All these are blueberries. Check those out.
These are not ready yet, but
There's some that's ready.
wow, these are big.
I think they got a lot of room this year up here. Eat one. How it tastes like.
It's good.
Not even halfway up yet. But let me give you guys this view. Alaska is beautiful, guys. If anybody ever get a chance to come up here, please do. It's beautiful. Gotta be in a little bit of shape though. So we started off way down there. When you're tired, make sure to stop for blueberries around this time. Stop to take a picture. Catch your breath. And keep going. So quick question. Would you rather hike on a sunny, hot day, warm, or would you hike on a cloudy, drizzling day? You know, for the view on a sunny day like this is beautiful. But if when exerting a lot of energy, look at that. I don't know. Leave me a comment down there. Share me your thoughts. I personally like both of them, but I think on a cloudy, rainy, drizzly day, I don't feel as tired. We're not gonna give up. We're gonna get up there. Shout out to my fellow hikers up there. We're all so close. You know, to reach the top, these last few steps are some of the hardest, but you know, there are some that God gives the gift of physical ability to do it without
Resting with me?
a lot of challenges, but for a lot of us, me included, we have to just have that determination. Have that determination. So
There's a pot of dough up there. You gotta reach it.
another shot. This beautiful valley here. Can't wait to get to the top to show you guys what's on the other side. Come along. Almost at the top. We like to take our time.
Old lady can't go anymore.
We gotta do it for the YouTube channel. What a motivation, but beautiful on top. Nice little breeze up here too. Beautiful. So as we get a little higher, start seeing the other peaks. From that second pole up here, we did a lot of stopping. Today is a tough hike. Could probably be just because of the long work week, kids going back to school, preparation. But man, it has been a challenging hike. So this is what's left. We're almost there. I believe this peak that we're trying to get up here is called Rendezvous Peak. So this one, when we get up there, you will see the little town of Eagle River on the other side, looking back to Anchorage. Hope to Top it in a little bit. A quick time update at this spot right here, almost at the top, 7:01. Check that view out. Hey, to share something that this place have. See this building up here right at the top? If you're really adventurous, they do rent that. It's like a dry cabin. They have a place for you to sleep. You gotta bring your own water, you gotta bring your own sleeping supply, but they do have a platform for you to, a wood platform for you to sleep in, and they do. This is a side view. Not too bad. These are the last few steps before we peak this trail. Check that out. Wow. Check that view out. Woo! Beautiful. The crazy thing about Alaska is there's people that would continue these trails. This would lead all the way down to that lake down there. That's Eagle Lake and Symphony Lake. That has been one of the hike that I want to do, but you know, just climbing this right now is breathtaking already. That's gonna be an all-day hike. All-day hike. Huh? Yeah. So the plan was to head up this trail around this and then go back down the other way. But it seemed like the heart is telling us to explore this way. Let's do it. If we come back, if we have time, we'll go over there. But if not, then we'll just head back down. Beautiful. Check this out, guys. This is looking back to the parking lot. We're gonna head over to this trail and see if we could get to that peak over there and see what's on the other side. What are you eating? Can't make it to the top without hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
Take time to enjoy it.
Enjoy the view.
Well, we've decided to just head on back. So we're gonna sit here and take in the view a little bit. That was a nice hike. It was kind of tough today, but we made it to the top here. Well, if you made it this far into the video, thank you very much for coming with us on our journey. But I hope to bring you more content like this to just get out, and this gives me the motivation to want to get out and do something too. if you guys ever do have time to get to Alaska, this is a beautiful state to explore. I hope to share some of the beauty of my beautiful state with you guys. And leave me a comment to see what you would like to see next. You know, I'll try to get out and do as much hike, exploring, fishing, hunting, and when the winter time comes up, my videos will be a little less because I don't get out to do much in the winter time. But if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. I appreciate that. Until next time, guys. Thank you. Guys, around this time of the year when the sun is starting to go down, it gets a little chilly. You can feel it in the air now that we're high up in the elevation, so come prepared. Let's head back. Should have got that.
Slow down. Côอยู่ตัวเลยไงCôอยู่ตัวเลยจะเทียบ